na pag may isa lang na tumikwas or it's easily noticeable. So, but a technique we can suggest to avoid dirty sibilants is eliding. So eliding is you connect the consonant of the last word to the sound of the next word. So in this case, yung LDS ng upholds will connect to the my. So it's become Lutsmay, LDSMY. So how it sounds, Mother Lord upholds my life. Okay, let's try that. Great. Wonderful. Okay, you got it in your first. Hindi ko alam yun na siya. Alright. Okay, next. Although, ano naman, nung nagpa-sample kayo, it's not much of an issue for you. So, pero maybe a suggestion or another way to look at things. This, tinuro sa amin to ng Mads. In choral singing, di ba, we're singing as a group. Therefore, kahit papano, our vowels, aside from our consonants, of course, especially our vowels, need to more or less sound more homogeneous. And, syempre, in as simple as, I can go through a spectrum of brightness and darkness. Where I'll start sa middle lang. Dito yung bright, dito yung dark. So, your group has to decide saan ka doon? Saan kayo lulugar doon? And the easiest is to stay in the middle. You don't have to. If you want to stay here, go. If you want to stay there, go. Pero dito yung pinakamadali. So, physical representation of wala na tinuro sa amin ng Mads. So what we'll do, we'll kind of vocalize. So on a syllable, so it's from the brightest to the darkest syllable. On one note. Sige, pa-try. 3 and Actually, okay naman kayo. Pero, well, anyway, maybe if you're teaching someone, this is a good way to demonstrate. Okay. So, may hand signals tayong gagawin. So, E is E. Sige, do it with us. 3 and So what's the point of all that? The hand signals will negate whatever yung common na nangyayaring mali sa mouth. So example, yung E, which tends to be very bright, instead of doing E or E. Ano pa ba? Or let's do a too dark an A. Hear the diff. Ang arte nun. Hear the diff. Tapos, too dark of an O. Tapos, so it just kind of helps center your mouth opening without taking an hour to describe how it's done. Of course, we can if we want to, pero not today. Sige, gawin natin tapos akyat tayo as if vocalizing with the hand actions. 3 and sometimes what we do, ginagawa namin yung ganon, just to, kung may problem yung group with, ano to, shape, inconsistencies, we would do, the Lord upholds my life. Para, ay, tama ba ginagawa ko? So, if you wanna try it, well, actually, no, let's do it. Do it. The Lord upholds my life. Okay, sige. So now that, so we've done eliding and we did a rush course on centering our vowels. Sige, paninig lang ulit where we are, and then let's proceed. Okay, may na mga nakakalimot lang ng elide. Remember yung LDS? Upholds my heart. Just to guarantee that we do S's at the same time. One more. The Lord upholds my life. Okay, great. Okay, sige. So sa C major 7, we're done with correct, we're done with confidence. Now let's try conveying a message. Okay, so first is ako, when I was doing theater as a kid, our director, if you knew, Zenaida Amador of Repertory Philippines, ang palagi niya tinuturo sa amin noon was, when you sing a song, don't sing the notes, sing the words. So pag kunwari, when you're singing and then you're too mechanical or sasabihin niya, sing the words. Don't stop singing the notes. And then I would go a step further kasi as group singers, and if in case you do sing harmony in your group, for me, a good melody is a melody that enhances the words. And a good arrangement is an arrangement that enhances the melody, which enhances the words. So by transitive property in mathematics, a good arrangement magnifies the message. That's the goal. Pero balik tayo. Unison lang muna tayo. Sige, so sing the words. How do we sing the words? As a group, can we read, not in rhythm, as if, I don't know what you call it, sabayang pagbigkas. Ano ba? What's that in English? Okay.
Speech choral.
Choral recitation. There you go. Great. Sige, choral recitation. Ready, and... Okay. Without us talking to each other, pansin na, no fail. The group would always stress, the Lord upholds my life. Lord holds life. Automatic, without us talking, we agreed na yun yung importanteng words. Now, pero nangyari, pag kumakanta, sometimes, nagugulo yun. Mangyayari, kasi may mababang note, the Lord, may maganon, or ano pa ba? But minsan na-reverse for some weird reason. Hindi man for weird reason. Sometimes when you want to prove something. I don't know. Something. Sige, so let's try singing the melody pero giving like a little more oomph, a little more shimmer, if you will, dun sa Lord holds and life. One. My Lord. Okay, nagawa niya rin siya. Although di ko na po point out. Yung last kong gustong pagawa is, sa the life is it 8 counts? almost. Basta pagdating ng second, yung my life, may konting pag-taper down, which you already did. So good job. Wow. Okay, sige. So, now, that's just unison. So in unison, we can be correct, we can be confident, and we can already convey a message, and somehow be collaborative. And because we're collaborative, we're able to be effective even with just doing unison. So now we magnify, wow, the melody by singing in harmony. So the sopranos will just do the exact same thing. Okay, parinig, just the sopranos. Sige. You cut it too short. So I think you were 2-3 beats short. Extend lang yung live. My life. Cut. Isa pa. Oh, great. Okay, next. May mga lumulusot, no? May lumulusot nga na aligned. Just a reminder. Okay? Sorry, I have to move forward. Sige, isa pang tip. Sinong palakpak kayo pag nakarelate kayo. Oh, tapos na yung soprano. So, nung pag altos na, magdadala na sila. Oh, diba? Ewan. Okay lang, guilty rin kami dyan. So, sometimes we just have to remind ourselves na, okay, since we're doing harmony, I think what's great about group singing then is it comes to a point where parang a good group singing or even if you're playing instruments, lalo na with like chamber music if you're into that. When they're playing, they're actually less focused on themselves and they're more focused, more of their brain is the energy of their brain is focused on listening to what the other people are doing around them. I think that's how we think we like to do it in Hangat. More of our yung notes, yung lyrics, everything sobrang mastered mo na to the point na when you're in a service or when you're performing, your brain is more focused on what's happening around you and you just making little adjustments to adjust to what's happening around you. So that said, that's why pag rehearsal, if it's not your part, it's best then to kind of di naman sing along, pero familiarize yourself on what's happening. Kung ano yung notes ng ibang voices. Sige, so altos tayo. So you are the second part. Same first note. It's 1, 2, and the Lord upholds my life. Isa pa. Sige, marami kailangan i-point out. First, nakalimutan mag-elide. Sige, let's get your notes down first. Isa pa. Isa pa. My life are the same notes. My life. Okay, then let's try eliding. Whatever tips we gave during unison, we'll try to apply it here. So in case may nakalimutan, we'll remind you naman. So yeah, can we hear that with Eliding? Not quite. Not quite the line. Connect LDS with my holds my life. It's a very smile. Pag ganun. Holds my. LDSM happens there. One more. Okay? Sige, next. I think you will benefit here. Medyo hindi pa consistent maybe kasi nag-iba yung notes, pero yung pag-open ng vowels, hindi siya centered. So, same yung ganun. It's just two shapes lang naman. And O. One. Okay? Pero yung Elide naman. Sige. I'll proceed muna to the next, pero just connect the Elide concept and the vowel shape concept, and then you're swimming. Okay, next. Let's do the tenors. Mali ako nagawa. Wait lang, pause muna. Can I hear the girls together? Okay. Sige. Okay naman. Later. Sige, tenors. Balik tayo tenors. Okay, one more. Two, and okay. Alright. Isa pa. Sige, one more, just for posterity. Okay naman yung Elide. May konting... Actually, mas may problem with the last line. Okay, what I'm hearing is life, which is acceptable in pop. Diba madalas yung iniipit yung note pag mataas, parang tunog nahirapan, pero in truth, I'm sure kaya nyo siya. So, instead of pag iniipit nyo siya, you do the opposite. Just relax it. Parang kaya nyo siya, wala lang yan. It's just a fa. I'm sure sa karaoke, umabot pa kayo kung saan. So, walang, huwag nyo i-tense dito. Sige. Sige, tingnan natin.